How to invite your friends to your page on Facebook app. Hi guys. In this video, I will show you how to invite your friends to your Facebook page easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Facebook. And now click on those three lines and go to your page. Now all you need to do is you have this list, scroll over until you find overview. Click on it, scroll down and you have insights. See all, click on it. Now scroll down and you have audience. Click on invite your friends. In here you're gonna find a list of your friends. This Facebook, I don't have any friends in this Facebook, and you're gonna find all your friends list and you can select your friends and invite them to your page. So this is it guys, easy and quick. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.